Hi there, my name is Sarah, and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers to talk all about short-term medical plans. Now, you've probably heard about group plans through your employer or marketplace plans, but there really is another totally viable option available to you, and that's short-term medical plans. Now, short-term medical plans have really evolved in a major way in recent years, and now they provide coverage to millions of Americans, and not just as a stopgap. All right, let's dive in. In the past, short-term medical plans were for very specific individuals under very specific circumstances. For example, if you had a brief gap in coverage due to a change in employment. However, as I said before, in recent years, short-term medical plans really have evolved. Now they cover things like doctor's visits, prescriptions, and a lot more. Of course, short-term medical plans function very differently than the plans that you're most likely familiar with, like your group health insurance through an employer or marketplace plans. However, if you're eligible for a short-term medical plan, then you can be saving hundreds of dollars per month. It's a major way to save money and still maintain coverage. One thing I do want to mention, short-term medical plans are not for everyone. Not everyone is eligible, and it may not even be available in your state. But like I said, if you are eligible and it is available, it's a major way to save money. However, with short-term medical plans, the benefits do vary widely. So we recommend, as always, that you contact a broker to make sure that you're getting the right plan for your needs. And if you'd like a broker that won't charge you for their services, you can reach us here at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. We're licensed in all 50 states and with over 200 carriers, so no matter where you are, we can help. One of the major draws for short-term medical insurance is, of course, the cost. In fact, a young, healthy person with a short-term medical plan can pay less than $100 per month in monthly premiums. And benefits can include things such as doctor's visits and televisits, prescription drug coverage, x-rays, mental health services, physical therapy, inpatient and outpatient procedures, and a lot more. Of course, the more benefits that your plan offers, generally speaking, the higher the monthly premium. Still, when you compare those monthly premiums to health insurance plans with the ACA, the cost savings is obvious. Additionally, many short-term medical plans offer nationwide PPO coverage, which is really hard to find with a marketplace plan. Also, if you're concerned about a short-term medical plan, remember there are no more tax penalties associated, and you can enroll or drop a plan whenever you want. There are two major drawbacks to short-term medical plans. One is that they do not have to offer the same essential benefits as ACA plans. So it's really important that you read your plan's brochure and make sure that you know exactly what is covered and what isn't to determine if it's the right plan for you and your family. For example, short-term medical plans do not cover maternity expenses. So if you're pregnant or if you are about to become pregnant, a short-term medical plan is probably not right for you. Short-term medical plans can also deny you based on your age or your health, and they're not offered in all states. So a major consideration is pre-existing conditions. Now, that's not to say that you will be denied a short-term medical plan if you have a pre-existing condition. In fact, if your pre-existing condition is not chronic and it's not super expensive to treat, you'll most likely still be approved. However, if you purchase a 1 year or less short-term medical plan, then that pre-existing condition will not be covered in the first year. If, on the other hand, you enroll in a multi-year short-term medical plan, most likely your pre-existing condition will be covered after the first year. And remember that in many states, you can enroll in a short-term medical plan for a period of up to 36 months, but after that, you will need to reapply. Short-term medical plans are not just for people that are in between jobs anymore. If you're young and generally speaking healthy and you don't rush to the doctors constantly, then a short-term medical plan may be a great way for you to save money. Health insurance is about protecting us from the unexpected, and short-term medical plans can be considered catastrophic coverage because of that. They'll help to limit your out-of-pocket spendings should you incur major medical expenses for something like an unexpected surgery. Additionally, if you're a frequent traveler, short-term medical plans, generally speaking, offer nationwide PPO coverage, which will ensure that you are covered no matter where you are across the U.S. However, they're not for everybody. If you have a pre-existing condition that is chronic and expensive to treat, then a short-term medical plan is probably not for you. Also, like I said, if you're looking to start a family, or even if you already have a family with young children, then we'd encourage you to pursue another option, because generally speaking, little kids have a lot of doctor's visits. Be prepared to discuss yours and your family's needs at length with your broker. Short-term medical plans and marketplace plans are actually much more similar than people think. Now, with a few large exceptions, generally speaking, you'll have access to the same benefits whether you choose a short-term medical plan or a marketplace plan. The main difference here is the cost. If you're ineligible for a tax credit or subsidy, then enrolling in a short-term medical plan can save you thousands of dollars. The monthly premiums with marketplace plans are just much higher, but you're ensured that your preventative care is covered from the get-go. So if you're ineligible for a tax credit or subsidy and you are young and healthy with no young children, then we really do encourage you to keep your mind open and look into a short-term medical plan, because it may be the right option for you. Because short-term plans are not offered through the marketplace, there is no open enrollment. However, you will need to contact either an agent of the carrier or a broker to enroll. We highly encourage you to go with a broker because a broker works for you. An agent is a representative of the carrier, which means they're only going to present you with their company's plans, as opposed to a broker who can help you shop around to find the best plan for you. Now, if you'd like our help, at no charge of course, you can reach us here at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below or let us know if there's any other videos you'd like to see. And if you liked this video, please make sure to click like and subscribe as well to stay up to date on all things health insurance. Remember, there is no open enrollment period for short-term medical plans, so why wait? Give us a call today. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.